Hello everyone. Today I will show you this paper called Sustainable Hybrid Cooling, Integrating Indirect Evaporative Cooling and Split Air Conditioning for Improved Indoor Air Quality in Tropical Climates. This paper introduces a hybrid cooling system that combines a split air conditioner with an indirect evaporative cooler. As we can see in the figure, the IEC pre-cools outdoor air before it enters to the AC, lowering compressor loads and improving efficiency. In experiment, the IEC achieved a cooling capacity of about 1,044 watts, reducing the supply air temperature by nearly 9 Celsius degree. Its well bulb effectiveness ranges between 47 to 64%, and the energy efficiency ratio was as high as 100. A key advantage was the air quality. The formaldehyde levels dropped to 0.043 parts per million, below, slightly below the safe limit, and the carbon dioxide stayed near 700, 7.900, compared with almost 3,200 parts per million under the conventional split alone. The comfort remained at the comfort temperature remained between 24 and 26 Celsius degrees with a relative humidity between 50 and 65 percentage. Although the energy rose slightly, the hybrid system delivered better efficiency, healthier air, and sustainable comfort, making it a strong option for hot and humid climates.